In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page on your Wix website easily and quickly. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to add a new feature to your existing site, I'll walk you through the entire process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Wix website editor. Once you're there, it's important to be on the right project, so ensure that you've logged into the Wix account associated with your website. The editor is where you control all the visual and functional aspects of your site, and today we'll focus on adding a login page to enhance user interaction. Next, let's tackle adding this new page. In the left-hand panel, you'll see an icon that looks like a page. Clicking on this will give you access to all the current pages within your project. Carefully navigate through these options until you find where to add a new page that specifically deals with user accounts. Once you've clicked the page icon, look for an option that's labeled Sign Up and Login. This feature is part of Wix's user management options, enabling visitors to have personalized interactions with your site. By clicking on Sign Up and Login, you're opening up possibilities for user engagement that were previously unavailable. Now let's incorporate the member login form. Wix offers a default choice which serves as a good starting point for most users. You'll see an option labeled Member Login Form Default. Click on it to add this feature to your site. This form will be automatically prepared to handle login credentials such as username and password. If you're looking to tailor the form to better fit your site's aesthetic or specific functional needs, the next step is crucial. Once the default form is up, consider switching to a custom form by clicking on the option labeled Custom Form. This will allow you to personalize how the login page looks and works, giving you the freedom to align it more closely with the rest of your website's design. After customizing your form, the final step is to add it to your site. Look for the Add to Site button, which should be prominently displayed once you've configured your form to your liking. Click it, and voila! Your login page is successfully integrated into your Wix website. Now you have a functioning login page on your Wix site, allowing visitors to create personalized accounts. This feature not only enhances user engagement, but also provides a gateway to advanced features like newsletters, personalized content, and more. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and adjustments, you've expanded your site's functionality significantly. Keep exploring Wix's features to continue to enhance your website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.